if you're like me and you got standing water, and I don't really have a lot of standing water like tires or buckets, I have a rain barrel right over here in my little garden. It's a lot of moist area. I like to capture a lot of the rainwater, and then I like transplant it over into 5-gallon buckets a lot of times to save it. And one thing that is always a concern when the temperature's starting getting around 70, 80 degrees is the fact that mosquitoes start breeding. I've already seen mosquitoes swimming around in my rain barrel, so you know what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to show you guys what I do for that. So these are the biological mosquito control. These are called mosquitoes dunks, and the active ingredients, I don't even know what that's, Bacillus thermogeneous subspecies solid, stores insecticide toxin. It's got 10% of that, and then other ingredients is 86% of that. And what this does, this actually is great. So what this is good for you. It can be used in fish habitats, containerized standing water, wherever it accumulates near a household, flower pots, tree holes, bird baths, roof gutters, rain barrels, which I have over here, old trees, used swimming pools, and animal watering sections. There's some little bit of precautions here, and here's the usage of it. Surface areas 1 to 5 square feet, you're going to use a half a dunk. What I'm going to do is 25 to 100 square feet, I'm going to use a full dunk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a half a dunk inside my barrel here, and then maybe split one amongst the other like buckets over there, and I should be good to go. So you know what, let's go ahead, let's open these things up. It come in this nice package right here. This is the 6-pack here. You don't have to open them all at once. Check out how they did it here. You would just pull one out like that, and they kind of just pop out. So I'm going to open one up, grab it just like that, and there's your mosquito dunk. So let's go ahead. Let's put one in the barrel now. Okay, so you see my rain barrel here. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but in very small, they're very, very tiny. What they are, it's mosquito larvae. So for y'all that don't know, mosquito will land in standing water like this, drop their eggs, and then it kind of protects them in here. So the mosquito larvae is down inside of here, and that's kind of like what stuff like dragonflies and things like that eat. And I can see them. I can see them swimming in there, but I don't know if you can see it through the camera. So what I'm going to do is take one of these mosquito dunks and just drop it in there. Now what that's going to do, it's going to slowly just kind of get dissolved. You can already see it starting to break up, and that will wipe out any type of mosquitoes that try to form in here. And as long as this is always going, and I don't think it's going to drain out when I add it back up again, I will put another dunk in there, and I should have this ready for the entire year. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the the mosquito dunks. See you on the next video.